नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। श्लोका 44। तावद्ददर्श पुरतः सनकादीन् मुनीश्वरान् कोटिसूर्यः समाभासानुवाच मुनिसत्तमः। तावत् ददर्श पुरतः. तावत् means Narada Muni. Dadarsha means saw. Purataka means who are very prominent and who have been there for a very long time. Sanagadi Munishwaran. Sanagadi means there are four sons of Brahma. Sanagan, Sanandan, Sanadanan, Sanatkumaran. So all these Munishwaran Mar, they have been coming there when Narada Muni saw them. Kodi Surya Samabhasa. Kodi means crore. Surya means the sun. Samabhasa, equivalent to the splendor. So Kodi Surya Samabhasa means the splendor of the all four prominent sages were like millions of suns rays combined together. Anuvaja Munisattamaha. Anuvaja means asked. Muni, the Narada Muni, Sattamaha, to the four sages who were the sons of Brahma. So, Tavat Tadarsha Puradaha, Sanagadi Munishwaran, Kodi Surya Samabhasa Anuvaja, Muni Sattamaha. That means, in the meanwhile, the most pious sage, the Narada Muni, beheld in front of him the prominent sages like Sanagan, Sanandan, Sanadanan, and Sanatkumaran, whose splendor was like that of millions of suns combined. Then Narada Muni asked them. तावद्ददर्श पुरतः सनकादि मुनीश्वरान् कोटिसूर्यः समाभासानुवाच मुनिसत्तमः. Thank you.